Look at this gorgeous view. Property is pretty steep going downhill. Welcome to Town of Black Mountain. I'm Tatiana Edwards and I am previewing this property located at the 27 Lakewood Avenue. This is a Laurel Ridge subdivision. This property cost $1,590,000. It is a little bit under 3,000 square foot. The property is being sold by Beverly Hanks and Associates. Joey Loffridge is the listing agent. So there is 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. This property actually is consisted out of 3 lots, making it 4 acres, 0.32. Each lot has its own annual assessment that the community puts on, and the assessment fee is $2,450 annually. So, calculating all of this, your assessment is $7,350 a year to just live in this beautiful place that we're going to show you with gorgeous mountain views, as well as $285 HOA fee for the road maintenance. So as we walked up, you probably noticed the beautiful stonework and nice current up-to-date railing, beautiful, I don't know what to even call it, siding of the railing. To me it looks like what you would use when you go ziplining. So a lot of zip lines are being used, and that make it very simple and pretty. This is definitely arts and crafts home. It's considered to be a 2-story with a basement. It was site built in 2007. So we're showing you a side yard or a side deck with this long range mountain view. Check this out. Beautiful. I could sit here, sip on my coffee or tea and just enjoy God's beauty. But let's go and look what the house looks inside. Views aside. Nice big entryway with a large door. Red color. I love it. I like the little flowers that they use to decorate. But here is a cool, I guess, a protective screen for the bugs if you wanted to keep your doors open. And it comes out on both ways. So welcome into the house. We're greeted with the living room, open space, tall ceilings, lots of windows. You can see upstairs area, there's a sitting area, which we're gonna go and check out in a little bit. There's a fireplace and a TV for your enjoyment. Nice dining area. This one sits 6 people. And it also utilizes the view. You can sit here and enjoy the beautiful view. The deck that we were just on wraps around and comes to this side. And then there's plenty of sitting space. It's just missing a swing. But the rockers will do. I can see myself sitting here, rocking and enjoying this beautiful view. It's a little bit cooler here than at the other place because we're at a higher elevations than standard 2,000 to 2,500. And we're back into the kitchen. Look out, look at the shelving along with the brickwork, and then it goes into the counter space and the kitchen cabinets. It all matches well together and makes it look very welcoming. Nice big sink. We got stainless steel appliances, a nice hood. Let's see if they're soft close cabinets, and they are soft close cabinets. Look at this beautiful wooden island. And we got a microwave in here. Or is it an oven? Let's see, open. Whoa, how cool is that? It's a convection oven. Let's close it. Fancy, fancy. Look at this wood that they upcycled and used as the pillars. Definitely adds to the character of the house. Here's the entrance to the downstairs, and we're gonna go check it out in a minute. But I also wanted to point out the beautiful flooring that there is. It's definitely a wood floor. I like the pattern of it. It adds to the character of the same upcycled wood that's being used as the pillars, as well as the island. And here we got our pantry. It's actually a walk-in pantry. wide hallways. Then we got a half bath. We also have a main level laundry with its own sink, washer and dryer. And guess what? You do have beautiful views even from here. So when you do your laundry, you can just glance and enjoy. And then we're entering into the primary bedroom. Ginormous. It's like a ballroom. Again, with the beautiful views of the mountains. You can also see how tall the decks are. The main level and then going down to the lower level. Then there is a bathroom. Two sinks with granite. Separate toilet area. We have a very tiny door, but if you look inside, it's actually much wider linen space. We have a tub and a shower. There's also a nice large closet space. It's a walk-in, has its own window, so you could probably use it for your makeup or whatever else you'd like. The window faces the back of the house. A lot of shelving, lots and lots of space in this closet. Okay, let's go look downstairs first, and then we'll go and look up. Two ways to go. Let's go this way first. Nice. We're entering into separate living quarters with a washer and dryer. We got a small kitchen area with a dishwasher, microwave, stove, and the refrigerator. Small living room. Again with the views of the mountains, as well as its own entrance outside. There's also a hot tub. Just sit here, drink your favorite beverage, and enjoy the gorgeous views. Back into the living room. And we have two bedrooms. Let's start with this one. It has its own closet space. Again, the window that shows the beautiful view. There's a bathroom in between that is to be shared for the guests here. One sink with a granite countertop. Very deep bathtub actually. Tiled floors. And the bedroom number 2 has a window to the side, more towards the woods. Closet. It's a smaller size bedrooms that are downstairs. And off we go to the upper area, or actually, sorry, to the other side that we didn't get to visit. And this is the garage. Very large space as well. I think that gives you a general idea of what it is. It has its own entrance. back to the main living area. And now we're gonna go and check out upstairs. Look at the view as you walk up, you see the beautiful mountains. There's a nice sitting area to enjoy your games or reading. Also has a view through the windows. Here we got one full bathroom with a linen space. Everywhere throughout the house you see the granite countertops. The toilet and the tub are separated. A deep tub, nicely tiled. And there's our bedroom. Nice and big. There's a nice sized closet. As well as nice big window. Again, back to the views. I can see myself living here. I feel like a bird in the sky. This room also has a second window on the other side, so it provides a lot of natural light. So this concludes our tour of the house. What did you think about it? So this is the side yard. It goes up to the road. It is actually like up there. And the house has termite baits throughout, which is great. Looks like they might have a water system. There's a generator as well. There's gas hookup as well. And then the side of the house. So this would be our lowest level. This is main level and then the upper level. There's also a crawl space, but I'm not gonna go down because it's a little too steep for me to walk. It's a beautiful house, beautiful views. I wouldn't mind living here. Not much space for kids to play, but you can get down the mountain and enjoy closeness of the other parks.